Uwizeyimana. I'm going to start to present my work. On my work is how to create a database on Oracle database and how to create tables. Third one are create users. Another are create template on Oracle database. Let me start to continue to create or I'm going to write this command sql /as systemdb on this root, and then this command I'm going to use to start SQL startup. On my SQL startup are to be started, and these are my listeners that are the complete. And the first step are going to create database. Before create database, I used to see how my database are inserted on this SQL database, and write show pdbs that are used to show all database to be created. This is my database, and then let me continue to create on my database and grant users. On my first database are create project database, and admin user are identified by this password, and then project database are created. So continue to enter project database name to be opened, and then show project database on my database array to be created. And my database are created, and then I need to create another database. Create project database teacher, and username are this name, and then our project database are to be created, and this database are created. So on the first step are going to create a database to be created, and then I'm going to continue to create. This is create another database that are to be created. On my other database are this on created, and then on my database that are created, and then I'm going to select the tablespace name from that database tablespace. On query are select tablespace name from database tablespace. On my tablespace are this system on this tablespace system are to be used. I'm going to create users, and this user are to be used to create on tables and insert on my tables. So on query are create create users identified by password, default table space. On my table space are system, temporary table space, temp, quota, and limited on system. This command are used to create user to be used that recombined on table space and need to create tables on this user. So user are to be created, and then I'm going to set Gallant connected on this user. On query are Gallant connected source to username. My username are relating. So on this Gallant are not exist, it does not exist. And then correct command are Gallant connect resource to username. So that is Gallant are success. And then alter user let quote unlimited on the system. On this command I used to altering this user data to be altered. Continue to be exit on this SQL. I'm going to localhost on root. Then this is shown on my database to be created, and then I'm going to create another users. So that is user to be used on my database, to be needed. Create user on my username and student identified by password. On user are to be created, and on my user I need to grant DBA to user, and then on this query are to set grant on my user and grant user are to be created or succeed, and then continue to show connection name. This query are able to show connection name. On my connection name are DBA, because I'm not using connection name. I'm not to create user. After create user, before create user are used to connect name that need to be created. On my connect name are this, and then I'm going to